Hey everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how I made this pop-up for my altered book. Let's get started. The materials you will need for this project are a pair of scissors, or you could use an X-Acto knife, an adhesive, I used tape for this project, a piece of paper, and a book. First, take your paper lengthwise and fold it up about an inch. This will act as the base for your pop-up. Next, you want to fold your paper in half the opposite way. Next, you're going to take the first part of the paper that you folded and fold it over itself to make a triangle. This will allow the pop-up to open and close when the book opens. You're going to take your book and open it to the page you want. Put your paper inside and make sure that the middle crease of the paper lines up with the middle crease of the book. Once you have done that, you're going to close the book with the paper inside. Then, I choose to take a pen and trace around all the excess paper that is left outside of my book. Once I did that, I now take the paper outside of the book. Using the lines that I traced with the pen, I now can make sure to cut around them so that way no paper is left hanging outside of the book when the book is closed. Once I have finished cutting the paper, I open back up to the page I chose before. I then place my paper back inside to double check that no excess paper will hang out of the book when the book is closed. Off camera, I drew and cut my design. Now, I will be taping my design into my book. I line up the edges with the edge of the book and the middle with the binding of the book. And then I place tape where it is needed. Once that is done, you will now have a pop-up in your book. Congratulations!